5 years ago, I was working as a server at Kelseys, making a monthly paycheck of $2,600 to $3,000. This year alone, I have made over $4,000 in interest from a high-interest savings account and over $1,200 in stock dividends without working a 9 to 5. Wait, I'm not another YouTuber that teaches you a money-making gig or how you can get rich quick. If this is your first time watching my videos, I'm Joyee Yang, a 26-year-old who shares simple personal finance tips that everyone can relate to. From how to maximize your savings interest rate to passively investing in the most cost-efficient ETFs, I like to share simple and actionable strategies that helped me generate multiple sources of income in my 20s. And these are really beginner-friendly personal finance tips that you can start too. So whether you're a student or currently hustling to make a living at your job, in this video, I want to share with you my favorite high-interest savings account that you can also use. As this is a beginner-friendly guide for you, I'm going to explain what is a high-interest savings account? What is my secret to generate 4% in interest income every month? A 3-step framework to maximize your interest earnings with minimal effort, a comparison of the most popular high-interest savings accounts in Canada, and lastly, my top 3 money tips to grow your high-interest savings account. So, what is a high-interest savings account? A high-interest savings account is essentially a savings account that gives you a higher interest rate than your regular bank account. Instead of your money just sitting there collecting dust, but if you're still using a savings account that pays you 0.01% annual interest, that's quite literally collecting dust. The type of high interest savings account that I recommend usually deposits your income earnings monthly instead of annually, without you having to do anything extra at a much higher 3 to 4% interest rate. For anyone looking to grow their money passively, the monthly interest deposit is a no-brainer source of income that you must leverage. And here's a non-negotiable for me when I'm choosing a high interest savings account. It must be completely flexible. You can add money anytime, withdraw whenever you need it, and you can still earn interest on the balance. So whether you're saving for a big goal or just looking to make the most of your cash, a high interest savings account is a solid first step to making your money work for you. Now let's get straight into my secret tool that helps me optimize my interest income. There are quite a few high interest savings accounts in Canada, but the Wealthsimple cash account has been my top choice this year. And no, this isn't a sponsored video. There are so many benefits of using the Wealthsimple cash account. You should know these two and decide for yourself. First benefit, they offer the highest interest rate in Canada. Wealthsimple currently offers one of the highest interest rates in Canada, which means your money grows faster here than almost anywhere else. They offer 3 tiers: core, premium, and generation. The interest rate is different depending on your tier. To be a core client, you need to have $1 in Wealthsimple. To be a premium client, you need to have $100,000 or more. Generation clients have $500,000 or more. Here are the interest rates Wealthsimple offers as of November 2024. Core clients get 2.75%, premium 3.25%, and generation is at 3.75%. If you have a direct deposit into the cash account, meaning when your work pays you, instead of the money going to your regular bank's checking account, tell your work to deposit your money into Wealthsimple so you can get that 0.5% boost. So if you're a core client and your paycheck gets deposited automatically into the Wealthsimple cash account, you'll get 3.25% interest. They also have 0 account fees. Unlike some banks that might charge you just for having an account, Wealthsimple Cash has 0 monthly fees, so all the interest you earn is pure profit. They have 1% cash back. Wealthsimple Cash Account offers a free debit or Apple Pay for your daily purchases of goods and services. For every $1 that you spend, you get 1% cash back directly deposited into your account. And guys, let me know in the comments if your bank gives you money back for your daily purchases, because I'm definitely interested to learn from you too, if you have better options. Now that you know about the Wealthsimple high interest savings account, let me give you a simple financial framework that you can also copy to earn monthly interest with minimal effort. All it requires is the initial setup, so you can do the work now and let the process automate consistently on a monthly basis. So here's a 3-step monthly interest income framework. Step 1, automate your deposits. I've set up automatic transfers from my main checking account to my Wealthsimple cash account. This means I'm consistently putting away money without even thinking about it. Whether it's $50 or $500, it all adds up over time. If your job pays you via direct deposit, you can provide your Wealthsimple account information to them, and your salary will be directly deposited into your high interest savings account. Step 2, keep the account funded. The more money you keep in the account, the more interest you earn. So I try to keep any extra cash I'm not actively investing in stocks or ETFs in my Wealthsimple cash account, where it's still growing passively. This means you want to strategically break down your cash inflow, whether that be your paycheck or monthly allowance, into a few portions. The money that covers your fixed monthly expenses, the money that you want to allocate to investing, and the money that you want to keep as cash to generate interest income. This is a separate topic on how to manage your cash flow and monthly budgeting. Please comment budget planning down below if you're interested in learning a very beginner and passive strategy that helped me generate over 15% investment growth this year. I'd be happy to share what's been working for me if you guys are interested. Step 3, let the compound interest work for you. Every month when I earn my interest, it gets automatically deposited back into the same cash account. So I don't use that interest payment to buy new shoes or makeup. So I'm essentially earning interest on my interest. Over time, this adds up significantly. The more money you have in the account, the more interest you make, and the more interest you make, the more money gets deposited into the account. So the month after, you get even more in interest. If you're still on the fence or just want to explore your options, here's a quick look at some of the most popular high-interest savings accounts in Canada and how they compare to Wealthsimple. When I look at these accounts, Wealthsimple stood out not just for the interest rate, but for the overall ease of use, transparency, and zero fees. But any of these options can still help you grow your money better than a traditional account, so find one that works best for you. To really make the most of your high-interest savings account, here are 3 final tips that helped me increase my monthly interest earnings over time. Number 1, deposit your paycheck into Wealthsimple for the 0.5% interest rate boost. This is literally a no-brainer. It only takes about 5 minutes to tell or email your manager to change your direct deposit information. By doing this, you'll start earning more interest right away. That's more free money for you. Number 2, do not use your interest payments. Trust me, I know it's tempting to use the money, but if you leave the money in the accounts, you can take advantage of compound interest. Again, you want to earn interest on your interest. Number 3, keep adding money into the account whenever you can. So when you save $100 by making lunch instead of buying lunch, add it into the account. When you get a bonus at work, when you get a tax refund, or you get money for your birthday, etc., put it into the account. So there you have it, a simple guide to growing your money through a high-interest savings account. It's one of the easiest and safest ways to start building wealth, and it's a great tool if you're looking to grow your income without a lot of extra effort. If you're ready to open a Wealthsimple cash account, don't miss out on a free $25 cash bonus. Use the link in my video description to sign up and get $25 when you deposit $1 or more. Also, if you like this video and found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more beginner-friendly personal finance tips. I'm always looking for ways to make my money work for me. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.
For a moment, I was like, do you have the same camera as me? And then when you tell me the model, I'm like, no, you have a way better one. All right, let's record.
Recording now.
Say something.
This looks great. I can see the defocus in the background.
You see your plant?
Yeah, I have a plant. Do you see that?
Yeah, you're blocking it?
Oh, shoot. There's a little plant right there.
Yeah, no, like if you want to show it, you gotta show it. Like, don't block it.
Oh, my head's blocking it. You're right. Okay. No, it looks
Yeah.
good. Okay, I want to stop it. For anyone looking to grow their money passively, now let's get straight into my secret tool that helps me optimize. There are so many benefits of using the Wealthsimple cash account.